Welcome to my channel. E-I-E-I-O. Okay, no. No, that's just too much. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Welcome. If you aren't new here, thank you for tuning in, my old subscribers. So this recipe I'm going to be sharing with you, it is not a term that is new to YouTube and to hair growth. But if you're interested in knowing the original recipe, the not the modified one, because most people don't know that most YouTubers modify the recipe. So if you want to know the original YAO women recipe, the one that gives them floor length hair, like I am not exaggerating, these women have hair that drop to their feet. So if you're interested in that recipe, that's what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. I have been using this rice water for a month. I'm going to share the review very soon. So if you've not subscribed, subscribe and hit the bell. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you would know when I post new videos and when I post my length check after using rice water. I already love this treatment so much. Like, I love it already. My hair feels great. My hair is darker in color. If you have always wanted to darken the color of your hair, well, I didn't know that rice water was going to do that, but I'm happy because you can see I have been using rice water for a month, and it was only rice water I was using to wash my hair. I didn't use any shampoo of any kind, but look at the color of my hair. Look at this. So if you're interested in how to make rice water the way the YAO women did or do, that I used and I got this amazing color that I'm getting now, stick around. On to the recipe, guys. So this video was recommended. I was asked to demonstrate how I make my rice water. So this is the YAO women recipe of how to make rice water. You just measure out a quantity of rice that will be enough and allow the water to cover the rice, as you can see in the video. And as I'm doing in the video right now, I am washing the rice very well. The YAO women take their time to wash the rice into the water so as to get the nutrients. I wasn't able to use both my hands because of I'm holding the camera, but make sure to wash the rice very well and strain out the water. After straining out this water, the YAO women add some herbs of their choice. I am adding rosemary, and they add the peels or back of citrus fruit. The fruit they use is pomelo, but if you have any citrus fruit you can use it. Then boil the water. After boiling the water, allow it to cool, and then you ferment the water.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Okay, I fermented mine for 1 week. The YAO women advise that the least time to ferment the rice water is for 1 week. So I fermented mine for 1 week. So basically I'm just washing my hair with the rice water, and I'm making sure to massage my scalp very well. As you can see, the color of the rice water is a bit yellowish. I'll say it's because of the back of the orange. If you have not seen my video on how to use rice water correctly, or what you're doing wrong using rice water, I'll leave the link above so you will check it out. And please make sure that after rinsing out this rice water, you deep condition your hair, guys. I lost that footage, so I'm sorry I couldn't add it, but make sure after rinsing this off, you deep condition your hair. So here basically I'm packing my hair and preparing it to be covered for 20 to 30 minutes. The YAO women suggest 20 to 30 minutes so the rice water can seep into the hair strands very well. I have a nylon bag, but if you have a shower cap you can use it. It's okay. So I'm just basically wrapping my hair and to make sure that the rice water enters my hair very well. I left this in for 30 minutes, but the range of time is 20 to 30 minutes. 20 to 30 minutes.
20 minutes later.
So basically, I'm rinsing off the rice water. I did not use the rice water as a leave-in, and the YAO women recipe, they did not use it as a leave-in. After applying on their hair, they made sure to rinse it off. The only thing I'm doing differently from the YAO women recipe is deep conditioning my hair with a moisturizing conditioner, and that's because I'm trying to fight protein overload. If you don't know what protein overload is, you make sure to leave a comment down and I'll explain it to you. So I'm drying my hair with an old t-shirt. This is the best way to dry your hair other than using a towel. This will prevent breakage and it will prevent frizz. So after drying my hair, I conditioned. After conditioning, I moisturized my hair. So, what do you think, guys? What do you think? Have you used this recipe before? If you have and you noticed anything, let me know in the comment section below if you've used it and how you used it and how it worked for you. Let me know down in the comment section below. And if there are any other treatments that you would like me to do a review on to show you the correct way to use it and show you how I used it, also let me know in the comment section below, because I'll be bringing to you these videos on how to do nice recipes, how to make nice recipes that can grow your hair really long, really fine, really healthy. So please let me know in the comment section below what treatment you would like me to try, and please do subscribe and hit the bell. The bell is very important because it will let you know when I post these videos that you request for. So thank you for watching, everybody. Bye. See you in my next video.